So I think what we have, if you guys can hear that, it's the purge valve or the bleeder valve seems to be possibly failed open a little bit. So could be partly why we're lower than I expected. So we're going to see if we can put a little bit of a tack or a bead on here, but it looks like I might need to purchase a new regulator as well, because I think that valve might have failed open. So here, just a little bit coming out. So we've got our gas settings dialed in. Let's get it plugged in and get the machine turned on. And to do that, I've got a 120, a 240 to 120 conversion. So I'm simply going to get, I'm actually going to start with our grounding right to the work we're doing. So we've got our grounding cable right there. We're just going to ground that right to the work itself, which would be the roll bar here. I'll show you guys that. Ground it right there. And then from there, we get this baby turned on. I didn't turn on, I should say. And we need our wire snip. It's got a little bit of the wire coming out. Check for faults on the system. We're running in power mode, so we don't have any alarms, and all of our settings are dialed in right where I should. Another nice feature to have is this auto dimming welding helmet as well. It actually auto dims for you as soon as you get a spark, which is great. Gonna actually just take a snip right off and get us down to size here. You want to just come out just a tad bit from the end of the gun to get started. So we're gonna jump in here. We've got this set up. I'm gonna get the camera in motion here. We're just gonna see if we can get a little bit of a bead on here. And that's the thing we got to be careful about. We've, with the carpet in here still, I tried to peel back as much of that as I could. Oh, we lost our bead, so we got to run a little bit of gas out of there. You can see that okay. Okay. Our bead. I think it's a mixture of, I think it's going to be a mixture of our wire gauge and the gas, the shielding gas that we're losing. So yeah, yep, let's get that dialed in. All right, well, despite the shielding gas leak on the regulator and our wire cord, we actually got some good tacks, tack welds into the roll bar to start. Just some preliminary tack. We're going to need to clean up the carpet or cover that a little bit better with some protective covering, and get that new regulator so we can make sure we have the right amount of shielded gas going through the gun. And I think we'll get a couple more better tacks and a good bead. So stay tuned, and we'll give an update on that as well.